Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Infinity Guide, the golden book of knowledge. So today we are going to know about one of the 7 wonders of the world, Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people of the terminal classic period. The archaeological site is located in Tinúm Municipality, Yucatán State, Mexico. The layout of Chichen Itza site case developed during its earlier phase of occupation between 750 and 900 AD. Its final layout was developed after 900 AD. The Maya name Chichen Itza means at the mouth of the well of the Itza. Itza means enchanter of the water. The design and layout of Chichen Itza was clearly well planned, and builders constructed temples and pyramids in the sets of clusters. The foremost well-known clusters are the Great North Platform, the Osario Group, the Central Group, and the Old Chichen, which is not open to the public. The Great North Platform is home to the most visited sites of Chichen Itza, including the Kulkan Pyramid, the Great Ball Court, and the Temple of the Jaguars. El Castillo is the famous pyramid which dominates the site of Chichen Itza, and it actually sits on another much older temple. So let us know the unknown facts of Chichen Itza. During the spring and autumn seasons, sunrise creates a shadow across the Kukulkan pyramid that gives the appearance of a serpent slithering down the staircase. It is located on the north side of the Kukulkan pyramid, and it is a platform dedicated to the planet Venus. The Mayans were devoted astronomers, and the movements of Venus held special meaning to them, with it influencing the architecture of the ancient Mayan city Uxmal. Many of the sites in Chichen Itza are known for their unusual sounds. If you clap once from one end of the ball court, it produces 9 echoes in the middle of the court. Additionally, a clap in front of the Kukulkan pyramid creates an echo resembling the serpent's grip. Chichen Itza had the largest ball court in the Americas. Deadly but popular ball game of Mesoamerica was played here. Losers were decapitated at the end of the game. While exploring the ball court, look up to the spot stone rings on the wall of the court. Players were required to shoot heavy rubber balls through these rings located at a height of 8 meters from the ground. The land of Mayans was totally about fun and festivities. It was a lot about gruesome sacrifices and brutal death penalties. Many structures in Chichen Itza are a testimony to these practices. A platform of skulls or a skull rack is the most ominous. Hundreds of heads of victims and soldiers was carved onto the walls of the platform to control people and scare enemies. The glory of Chichen Itza declined, and the city met a mysterious end in the 14th century. The residents moved out, never to come back to the city again. Thank you for watching our video. Please do support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing our channel. For any suggestions,